Hello everyone out there, what's going on? It's your boy Low Forbes coming to shoot another YouTube video. Have not done one of these in a good while. Been away dealing with some things. Life happens. But anyways, I'm back. I'm back to share some information with you guys. I wanted to share like my truth going forward and exactly what I'm doing in my business. All right, so let's dive straight in. For the past since 2019 started, I have not done anything in an online business. I have not tried to make money online. I was having some success in 2018, but since 2019 started, I just didn't do anything. To be honest, I didn't do anything. And I'm a dad. I'm a husband. I work. I have a job. I have two, about to be three kids, and I just reached a place in my life where I feel like, I really need to decide whether I want to spend the rest of my life focusing on working a job, or do I want to try and elevate myself to another level and put my income to work for me. And, I don't know about a lot of you guys, but I'm in a place where, the salary basically is not really enough to cover all the expenses. So I'm really contemplating and considering getting a second job. I mean, it's either a second job or focusing on something that I'm passionate about and that I've always dreamed of doing. So I chose to focus on my dream, and I just want to say, based on previous experience, that it was hard last time because I didn't have the experience. But once I started doing the actions, it became a bit more easier. But now that I've stopped, it's like I'm starting the whole thing over. So it's going to be a process. It's going to be a journey. And I'm really and truly, I'm just excited to see where this journey is going to take me. So I hope my fan in the background isn't disturbing you guys. It's hot where I am. I live in the Bahamas. So I just gave you guys a quick little overview about myself, where I've been. Been online for about 5 years. Failed, had some success last year, and stopped. And now I'm in that place and in that space where I just want the best for my kids. I want the best for, myself, and I want to help those individuals or assist those individuals who feel similar to me. You're working and you want better for yourself. You want to take it to the next level. So I just want to say that before I show you anything or we go into anything, that it does require you to be consistent. It does require you to show up and put in work. And if you're the type of person to put in work, then this system can help you change your life. So I'm going to go and show you the system that I was introduced to um, by my good marketing friend, Ontarian Hawkins. Shout out to Ontarian. All right, so the name of the program, as you can see, is called the Miracle System. No more bills, And when I first heard about it, I was like, it sounds like a bunch of garbage to me. But um, when I saw the results of what Ontarian was able to do, and he's been a marketer for a long time, I was like, that's different. I think he was able to do like 100,000 in 90 days, but I just really wanted to figure out the psychology of what it is they're doing. And of course, I started to look up on YouTube and Google to see if I could find anything. And what I found was that a lot of people were, saying that it's a scam, sounds like a multi-level marketing company, or recruiting, bunch of recruiting things. And, if you just go based on what those blog posts say, and those other articles, you probably would think that this is a pretty lame company and it's a waste of time. But I actually still decided to join and check it out. And to be honest with you, this is my back office what we're looking at right now, right? I went through the first videos. As you can see, I tested the pages. I love the pages that they have. I pretty much love everything. I would play the videos for you, but I don't want to give away everything. I want you to come in and take a look at it and make an informed decision. But what I will show you their the resources and just, give you a nice little overview. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to the Getting Started tab, right? I'm just going to show you the value that you're going to be receiving something like this. And then I'm going to tell you like who this opportunity is really geared towards, and hopefully you can make an informed decision. So this is the Getting Started tab. I just clicked on, and as you can see, they have like a whole bunch of products, right? This is Getting Started, and you can see 10K per month blueprint. I already went through this, right? I don't want to give all the information. I'll probably blow that out, but I went through this information, and I clicked on. I looked at the script. We got the zones and everything, and it's pretty much basically what someone would need if they were just starting out online. Like if you had like no clue what you're doing, this would be perfect for you. If you're an intermediate person, this would be perfect for you. I went through the 10K blueprint, and I just want to show you how good the training is really awesome. From the first my first Getting Started video, from the first video we saw on the first page earlier, the information given there, man, top notch. What you're going to learn from that first video is complete mindset. From I watched it really just opened up a lot of things for me, because the presenter, Miss Dominique Barbie, she really gave of herself. She gave her truth. She spoke of all the struggles that a lot of people face when they come online, and she spoke of the struggles that she personally faced, and it just really resonated with me, and it made me want to continue to push through. So I'm going to bring up this video for you guys, right, and allow you, hopefully it's the right thing, and allow you to see. Hope it's moving kind of slow because I'm recording, but I want you guys to see just some of what Miss Dominique talked about. So she goes, and this is an blueprint.
All right.
She gives you
How's
in this video,
everybody?
right?
Type in the chat. How is everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day.
In this video, guys, as you can see, is an hour and 45 minutes long, right? This video is jam packed, full of value. If you needed to know what exactly you needed to do when you came online, right, to make money, this video right here is what you would want to watch. So she tells you live, step by step. This is what she gave her team. She told them live, step by step. I'm going to show you the income producing activities you need to do every day, right, consistently, to bring in results. Now, I've been on a lot of webinars. I've done a lot of trainings. I've not had anyone, maybe one person, and that's one of my own, my first real mentor, Miss Amanda Ray, who gave me the exact blueprint step. Now, if any of you know Amanda, I'm not trying to divert or anything, but Amanda Ray, if you know her, if you ever watched any of her videos, you want to join her. But um, what Dominique and the Miracle System team has done here is completely phenomenal. I don't want to, brag or boast, continue to boast about it, but I'm saying from a training standpoint, if you wanted to come online and you wanted to come to make money and perform money making activities and have the know-how and know what it takes to consistently come online and be successful, you need to look, and you don't need to look any further than the Miracle System. And I'm not cutting out any of my mistakes, so I'm really practicing on working on becoming a good video marketer. So I think I speak pretty well. So I'm just giving you guys my all. All right. So I found a lot of value in it, and it really got me excited. I finally got myself together a step-by-step daily blueprint, which I feel is going to be the real driving force behind me being successful and having continued success in trying to make money. So, of course, I always like to show results. I don't just like to talk and give you theory. So, I have been working the system. Um, I'll show you my own personal results first. I don't have much, but I always believe something is better than nothing. If I can show you something, then if I can show you that, hey, I'm doing this and I just got started and this is what is working for me, then why can't it work for you? And all I'm doing is copying ads, I'm following the blueprint, and you know, this is like day 2 or 3 for me. So far as you can see, I have 4 page views, and this is for today. So I posted some ads earlier. I'm gonna post some more. I wanna really get some exposure going for myself today. So for the day, I got 4 page views, which I'm really gonna try and, or I'm really gonna start ramping up. I'm gonna give you guys, share with you this journey and how I'm going, and hopefully it will help you to make a decision. So I did. I got 4 page views for myself. And I'm using the branding stuff, guys. To be honest with you, I'm using the pages that they provide. I'm gonna show you the capture pages. Pretty awesome stuff. They also have a built-in autoresponder that'll help you, because I know a lot of you guys don't have these things, or don't. A lot of people doesn't have access to these things. So as you can see, they provide us with 4 pretty cool landing pages that are going to use to collect information. When people opt into these, they're going to the company is going to follow up with them on its own with its built-in autoresponder. So pretty cool stuff. Um, I've seen it in some companies before, but I really like the way that it's presented. It's nice and simple. It's a simple layout, right? So to be honest with you guys, I really joined not because of the money making potential, but also for the value that is being given out. So they pay what we're buying is they said that we're buying into banks, but it's really the concept and how you look at it. It's how you look at it through your mindset. The real thing that we're buying is we're buying it at a level, and the level is going to be paying you at 100% commission. So if you want more information on that, I can also show you the compensation plan. So please feel free to comment if you want to find more information about that. So let me just take you very quickly to their Facebook group, because I also want to show success that other people are having success with this, because I'm just getting started. So I'm gonna be like, well, that's not enough for me to convince me. Look, show me something more. So this is their Facebook group. We have people posting it daily about what they're doing. I saw someone's results earlier. This is Miss Barbie herself. It's a well-knit community, man. I must say, everyone's together. Everyone is pushing for the same goal. Okay, we have Miss Annie Coleman here, who earned $8,795 in a month, and there she is posting her results. So I'm happy for her, but I just want to see if we have at least another person in here who's getting results. Hello, I'm glad to be Karen Boot says, hello, I'm glad to be a part of this group. I have so much there right now, but she has goals. So she's excited to be in. We got people excited to be a part of this because they see people winning. So that's a real exciting thing for me, a nice factor. I can see that there are real people in here. I'll probably want to connect with a lot of these people. Mm. So I just like I'm excited, guys. I hope you guys are excited. Not we don't see every day that we have young entrepreneurs coming and trying to bring change in there. Change you to let you know that, hey, you don't have to stick to that 9 to 5 every day just to make it. We have another video with Annie Coleman. All right, so that's some luck. All right, I think this group is just really getting started. I'm almost at the bottom. We got some motivational posts, inspirational posts. Hmm. Okay, so congrats to Sarah for coming in at the 20K level and women coming in 17 ranks. So we got people coming in all the way, joining up all the way. Pretty exciting stuff. So guys, I joined Miracle System because I wanted to be able to hone in on my skills and better my craft. And if that's something that you want to do, if it's something that you take your marketing seriously, you want to find yourself at the top of a leaderboard, or you would just want to better your life and you know that marketing is the ideal skill for you, then I encourage you to reach out to me first, right? Check out the opportunity and see if it's something that resonates with you. See if what they're discussing on the presentation page is something that you want. Because to be honest, the theme of what the Miracle Success System is really talking about is being able to pay off your bills. And isn't that what everyone wants? We all got bills, right? So why not come together as a group, as a community, right? Let's work together to take care of the common problem that we all have, and that's bills. So I don't want to keep the video too long, but no, I gotta go out here and start grinding, putting in that work. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope I was able to give you value in some way, shape, or form. Uh, all my contact information will be in the description below: email, phone, Facebook. Please feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any upcoming videos that I'll be shooting in the future. All right, and that's it for this video, guys. So my name is Lo Forbes. I'm here to help you pay off these bills in 2019. I'm here to motivate you. I'm here to help you along the way and coach you to where you want to be, so you can also start to see success. So this is just I think this is day 3 of my. I'm starting a 90-day journey, and I'm going to encourage you to start your own 90-day journey. I'm gonna take my time and do this. And maybe at the end of the first 90 days, I won't be successful. And I'll just do another 90 days. But the point is, I'm going to show up every day. I'm going to do this every day. I'm going to be the best that I can be so that I can help you be the best that you can be. All right. So that's it for this video, guys. It's Lo Forbes. I will see you guys in the next one. Yeah.